Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Valorant. Sorry, we are having trouble signing you in right now. Please try again later. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Chrome and search Riot Games and select the first site. You just need to sign in to Riot Games account guys. In website you can able to sign in because the problem in the Riot Games. After signing in, click on this profile icon and select settings option. On left side, select multi-factor authentication. On right side, select log out everywhere option and select confirm. After confirming it, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by to category and select view network status and task and select this connection and select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. Select here use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111. In alternative DNS server type 1001 and click on OK. And just scroll down and uncheck this Internet Protocol version 6 and select close stuff here. And now restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right-click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for these commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.